My life be like.
Get ready to take your spooky season to the next level. From creepy animatronics to eerie lighting, these must-have finds are perfect for turning any space into a haunted spectacle. Watch as ordinary decorations come to life and give everyone chills this Halloween. All these gadgets links are in the description below. Number 20. YIQU Light. This package contains 6 luminous green eyeballs, each featuring 36 bright LEDs and a 600 mAh AA battery, producing an eerily captivating motion effect. They are solar-powered and have an IP65 waterproof rating. You can toggle between a soft glow and a steady-on mode to achieve the ideal Halloween atmosphere. Sturdy, energy-efficient, and incredibly attention-grabbing. Number 19. PULACO Mist Maker. Introducing the perfect device to enhance your environment with an enigmatic atmosphere. This small ultrasonic fog machine generates a dense, cool mist as soon as it is submerged in water. It is equipped with 12 colorful LED lights that seamlessly transition through a spectrum of vibrant colors. Operated by a secure 24-volt adapter with a 7-foot cable, it measures approximately 2 inches in depth, allowing you to observe the mist as it flows in. It is waterproof, features an automatic shut-off, and is ideal for both indoor and outdoor gatherings. Number 18. PREXTEX Halloween Hanging. This creepy zombie showcases a lifelike head, intricately designed hands, and a billowing black robe that enhances the illusion. Constructed from sturdy, weather-resistant materials, it is simple to hang or stake into the ground, instantly establishing a chilling focal point that will astonish and excite your guests. Whether you aim for traditional horror or a complete haunted yard theme, it provides the ideal combination of authenticity and terror for your 2025 Halloween display. Number 17. Liberty Imports Haunted. This eerie mirror animates when someone passes by, showcasing a luminous skull visage with LED red eyes, accompanied by spooky sound effects and 3 haunting voice lines such as, "I'm coming to get you." It is motion-activated and operates on 3 AA batteries. With dimensions of 13 by 10 by 2.3 inches, it is ideally sized to attract attention while remaining space-efficient. Number 16. Candle Choice LED Light. Set of flameless electric candles provides a vivid, lifelike flickering light that closely resembles actual flames. Each candle is equipped with a remote control and a timer feature, allowing you to conveniently turn them on or off and program them to illuminate automatically for hours of Halloween enjoyment. Constructed from sturdy decorative plastic, they are designed to fit seamlessly within your jack-o'-lanterns, imparting an unsettling yet inviting appeal. Number 15. StimuVariety LED Mask Gloves. Prepare to illuminate your Halloween with the perfect combination for both kids and adults who enjoy being unique. These gesture-controlled light-up gloves and LED masks synchronize flawlessly with your hand movements, producing a stunning glowing effect. Tailored for boys aged 8 and older, as well as adults, they boast bright multicolor LEDs, comfortable adjustable straps, soft eye padding, Type-C charging battery replacement, and an extended battery life for hours of enjoyment. Number 14. Cauldron Fog Machine. This spooky decoration showcases a lifelike bubbling cauldron that emits dense fog, while a hovering potion bottle floats enigmatically above, encircled by a luminous skull and vibrant LED lights. It's simple to operate. Just add water and observe the fog swirl. Transform your area into a witch's lair reminiscent of a fantasy film. Number 13. Beforalla Halloween. The outdoor 3D dynamic projector showcases high-definition skull and ghost designs that animate vividly on your walls, windows, and yard. It comes with a sufficiently long power cord and a 270-degree adjustable head, enhanced brightness and clarity. It's waterproof and resistant to various weather conditions. Installation is straightforward. It is energy efficient and perfect for turning your home into a haunted attraction. Number 12. Northlight Animated Coffin. A spine-tingling prop that reacts and screams upon contact. This life-size coffin boasts a lifelike wood finish encased in heavy chains, creating a chilling haunted house atmosphere. When triggered by motion or touch, It shakes vigorously and produces horrifying sound effects. Operated by 3 AAA batteries, it is simple to install indoors or in sheltered outdoor spaces. Number 11. YOROXRG Bleeding Taper Candles. Light up your spooky nights with a gothic touch for Halloween and themed parties. These unscented candles showcase a striking black exterior that transforms into lifelike red wax resembling vampire tears as they burn, producing a haunting yet captivating ambience. Each candle measures 10 inches in height and is compatible with standard candle holders. They are safe, smokeless, and designed for long-lasting use. Number 10. Haunted Hill Farm Animatronic Coatrack Monster. A terrifyingly lifelike spooky decoration that towers at an impressive 67 inches, infusing any space with sheer terror. This motion-activated creature springs to life with eerie sounds and unsettling movements. It includes adjustable volume settings, and with its plug-in adapter, you'll never need to worry about battery running out. Number 9. Zombie Mask. Crafted from premium, non-toxic, skin-friendly latex. This item showcases realistic features such as decayed skin, bloodstains, and gruesome textures for an authentically spooky effect. It is lightweight, breathable, and comfortably accommodates most adult head sizes. With its lifelike design and haunting expression, it is sure to make you the most terrifying figure at any gathering. Number 8. Animat 3D Inflatable Jabberin. A 5-foot-tall animated pumpkin that talks and adds a spooky touch to your festivities. This amazing decoration boasts a 56-inch HD screen, 3 distinct character themes, and an integrated projector with a speaker, providing more than 80 minutes of funny, chilling, and interactive content. Setting it up is effortless thanks to its self-inflating design, and controlling it is straightforward with simple buttons for volume adjustment, skipping, and pausing in still mode. It operates using a USB cable. Number 7. XIMISHOP Skull Bowl. Look at this pumpkin-shaped skull bowl, which showcases a spooky, animated skeleton hand that extends to seize treats. It comes with a sensor and button control. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, it is lightweight, portable, and can be easily positioned anywhere. Its engaging, animated design introduces a playful yet frightening aspect that entertains children while sending chills down the spines of adults. Number 6. Yosager Motion Activated Spider. This realistic Halloween decoration boasts an impressive 30-inch leg span, glowing red eyes, and a motion system activated by sound, producing eerie noises. It comes with integrated speakers and red LED lights. Constructed from sturdy polyester, plastic, and iron wire, it is simple to operate with 3 AAA batteries. The prop reacts to sound and touch, providing an engaging scare experience. It is an essential addition for haunted houses, parties, or outdoor displays. Number 5. Collapsible Candy Bags. Each bucket is equipped with vibrant LED lights that illuminate to produce a festive and attention-grabbing effect. Made from sturdy, collapsible material, they are easy to fold, store, and reuse annually. Perfect for holding candy, small toys, or party favors. These enhance the charm of any Halloween celebration. Lightweight, portable, and enjoyable. Number 4. WATERGLIDE Hanging Witch. This set includes 8 witch hats strung along a 14-foot string with bright LED light. It offers 8 distinct modes that can be easily managed using the included remote, enabling you to toggle between flashing, fading, or steady light. Equipped with 7 LEDs and includes 4 built-in timer options. Powered by 3 AA batteries, these lights are also waterproof with an IP44 rating. Crafted for durability and lightweight hanging, add a playful yet eerie atmosphere to any environment. Number 3. Haunted Hill Farm Gravely Granny. Standing a chilling 51 inches tall, features motion-activated rocking movements and sounds, including a chilling laughter that animates Granny. Her bright red LED eyes cut through the darkness, establishing an ideal spooky ambience for both indoor and outdoor displays. Just plug her in, no batteries required, and observe as she sways back and forth, frightening anyone brave enough to come near. Number 2. Scary Peeper Tapping Witch. This frightening decoration is suitable for both indoor and outdoor settings. The creepy witch watches and taps at unsuspecting individuals. It is lightweight and simple to hang, instantly establishing a spooky ambience with its lifelike design. Constructed from sturdy materials, it endures seasonal use while providing the utmost scare. Number 1. Spirit Halloween 3-Headed Dog. Measuring 2 feet 7 inches in height, this fearsome Cerberus, covered in black fur, boasts 3 snarling heads with bright red eyes and wide open mouths. Its motion-activated actions and chilling growls animate this mythical protector of the underworld, and it integrates effortlessly with fog machines and step pads to enhance the frightful experience. Constructed with a robust metal framework, the animatronic includes a 6-volt 2A adapter and straightforward instructions for setup. And that's a wrap for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Which one did you like the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.